What's up, gang? God damn it. Fucking radio.
I
don't need to hear all that. Some dude on this radio, SDPD Northern, in like the La Jolla area, some dude just fucking shot and killed another lady in like a condo complex. I don't know if she's his wife or something, but he's 92 years old, and he shot and killed this lady, and he's standing in the doorway of his apartment, and he keeps saying, "I think I have a problem." Boy, what the fuck do you mean you think? Anyway, we're down here deep in Border Patrol territory once again. There's an abandoned Toyota Camry. What of it? You know, that shit happens. Your Toyota Camry breaks down, it's probably more than it's worth to fix it. Just buy another one. They even took the plates off. That's how you know they're not coming back to get that shit. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's 69 degrees, nice. There's a nice bloom going on out here in the desert. I've never really seen the desert this colorful. You know, because it's been raining so much this season that, maybe I should go a little faster. This dude behind me speeding up. It's been raining so much that you see all these wildflowers growing. And once we get around this bend and you see the mountains are all green right now. What the hell is that flashers on for? Oh, probably it's like escorting the car in front of them. What is that little thing? What is that? Oh, like fucking, what's it called? Like one of those old MGs or whatever? Oh no, it's, I know what the fuck that's called, I just forget it. It's like some Italian sounding name. And there's a neon green Volkswagen Beetle or Bug, whatever the hell you call it, I don't know. I think it was the Beetle back when that was made. And then now they call it the fucking, wait, do they call it the Beetle or is it a new Beetle? I have no idea. I don't know anything about Volkswagens. I've never driven a Volkswagen. Maybe I have. I wouldn't remember though, because it's not exactly a, you know, an entertaining vehicle. Other than the GTI. GTI is cool. Golf R is cool. That dude is just there. He's just chilling. I got a dude, back corner. Are you DHS? He might be. I don't see a tint strip on the window though. That's always the tell. If they got dark tinted windows and a tint strip across the front windshield, they're federal something. Could be DHS, could be HSI, could be ICE. You never know. We're just down here driving. I haven't posted a long video in a minute. I've been posting something every day, but I've been posting just like the shorts. And those have been doing okay. They get like, you know, 2,000 to 3,000 views each generally, which is not all that bad. I mean, not all that bad considering. This guy is slowing down to match me. Oh, okay, he wants me to go in front of him. That means, no, he's going around. I thought he might be DHS if he's staying with me, but he's going. Oh yeah, they're not DHS. They're just people. I mean, DHS are people too, but those are civilians, pedestrians, NPCs. It's Miller time, California. No, it's not. I'm driving. Well, it's actually the perfect time for Miller time. Look at that exotic ass turn signal. Look at it. It's like they fucking copied the Mustang, dude. Why am I driving towards Brownfield Station? Good question, I don't know. This is just the exit I always take. I'll probably go up, turn around, go to Wendy's, get a Frosty, because Erica wants a Frosty, and then just chill out. Oh, and Bungus is here too. What are you doing? Oh, he wants his windows down. There you go. That's what the canine cage is for, so he can sniff but not get knocked out. Oh my gosh, we're almost, this is completely accidental, but we're almost exactly here at shift change. It's 2 o'clock. So there's gonna be a bunch of people coming in and out. I wonder if we'll see the same guy from the last video. I'll remember him because this truck had the like bronze wheels. I think they were just dirty. I don't think they were actually like bronze. I don't think they would let him plaster dip his service vehicle's wheels bronze. Woo! Most well-maintained San Diego road. there's somebody. Actually, don't look like they have a stripe. You know, the crazy thing is, and I have a picture of it somewhere. I saw a Border Patrol truck pull out of Brown Field one day when I was recording, that it had a green stripe on it, but it didn't say Border Patrol on the back. That was so confusing to me. I'm like, what, did somebody steal it? Like, they done stole the Border Patrol. Can't have shit in Detroit. There's gonna be lots of people coming in and out. Shift change, shift change, shift change. But I just wanted to make a quick video. A quick update. Another update. The SS, hello person, is not finished yet. And it's not, I said it was gonna be this week. I know I said that, I'm sorry. It was 100% my fault. It was just sitting there because Dan didn't know whether to make an antenna mount for the other antenna I brought. So I didn't tell him whether I should whether to make it or if I was going to provide the antenna mount, and so that's 100% on me. So it adds an extra week. He's going to get to it on Monday, but the delay it's my fault. It's just me being stupid and not remembering to add in details. So they're going to make an antenna mount for the rear antenna that goes on the passenger side. It's a cellular antenna. It's not going to be connected to anything. It's just kind of a prop, but you know, it's a very prominent part of those New South Wales Highway Patrol cars, so I wanted to make sure it was on there. And otherwise, we're chilling. We got a bunch of Thot Patrol wrap kits. 2 went out to San Diego this week. That's insane to me. There were 2 Crown Victoria kits that went to a person in San Diego. So there is a good possibility that one day I will be driving around and I will see a Thot Patrol vehicle other than my own driving. That's crazy, dude. I always used to think of like what it would feel like to be like fucking Jeff Bezos and be driving around and see Amazon trucks everywhere. Like see that thing you made just plastered on trucks driving around everywhere you go. Maybe we'll get to that point with Thot Patrol one day. Maybe it'll be fucking as prominent as Border Patrol. I mean, fuck. There are probably a lot of people in this country who have seen more Thot Patrol vehicles than they have Border Patrol. So maybe we're already getting there. I want to have vehicles in all 50 states, and I will do anything to make that happen. I'm talking discounts, fucking, oh, if you're famous enough, I'll give you one for free, okay? But I just want to have units in all 50 states. That's the goal. That's the dream. We already got like what? Maybe around 5, 6, 7 states covered. So next priority is Florida. We had 1 wrap kit go down to Florida. It's getting put on an old Chevy truck. I think it's a K20. That one's gonna be super, super cool. And we have certainly have one, I believe 1 or 2 in Georgia. I'm just thinking about the southeast right now. 1 in Tennessee. We got 1 in, oh my god, where else are there Thot Patrol vehicles? There's another one in San Diego, in the San Diego area. It's a Grand Cherokee with an Explorer kit on it. And I've never seen that one in person, but I know it's out there because somebody sent me a picture of it. We're taking over. That's the gist of it. SS is coming next week. That's the gist of that. We're winning. What else can I say? So we're gonna go get a Frosty. Strawberry Frosties are back at Wendy's. That's the big news. Cooling out. It's a beautiful day in a beautiful place with a beautiful boy. Love you. Appreciate you. See you again very soon.